It's been a fantastic year. We've been working on this for 10 years, and now we're ready to start.
Happy International Women's Day. Thank you all for joining us today. My name is Bridget Hall. I lead marketing for Bell. We are thrilled to have you here with us this morning for our discussion on embracing equity.
We are at Bell Textron Australia at the Coffs Harbour facility. Our products are robust and reliable, and the service and support we provide make sure that when they need to operate, they can operate. That's been a key to the Bell brand throughout its over 80-year history.
There's a lot of firsts for FLRAA that the customer is extremely excited about.
This year is the first public display of the 407M anywhere. The 407M has a long history going back to the OH-58D, the Kiowa Warrior with the U.S. Army.
We made significant investments in systems integration labs.
At our military assembly plant in Amarillo, Texas, we have been building V-22s for years and years and years.
Bell's been doing vertical lift development for over 80 years.
The big news is that we received our engine, so we're eager to get it instrumented and integrated into the aircraft.
This year we're in Madrid, Spain. We're here showing the Bell 429 from Air Zermatt. It's the brand new one they just installed in their fleet in September.
Bell has a history of revolutionizing capability versus just evolving capability. It's a great time to be at Bell.